Tips for creating and distributing high-quality content. Know your audience. Understand your target audience's demographics, interests, pain points, and preferred content formats to create content that resonates with them. Create a content strategy. Develop a content calendar, outlining topics, formats, and distribution channels aligned with your business goals and audience needs. Focus on quality. Ensure your content is well-researched, accurate, and valuable to your audience. Use reliable sources and cite references where applicable. Tailor content formats. Experiment with different content formats like blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, and ebooks to cater to diverse audience preferences. Optimize for SEO. Conduct keyword research and incorporate relevant keywords naturally into your content. Optimize meta tags, headers, and URLs for search engine visibility. Use compelling headlines. Craft attention-grabbing headlines to entice readers and encourage them to click and engage with your content. Leverage storytelling. Tell stories that resonate with your audience, evoke emotions, and connect them to your brand. Use narratives to illustrate complex concepts or showcase customer success stories. Promote on social media. Share your content on relevant social media platforms to extend its reach. Use compelling captions and visuals to encourage engagement and shares. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and inquiries promptly. Encourage discussions and invite feedback to foster a sense of community.